But you remember the year though?
You know, remember the year for the 70s, and when the people in buy out the place from Pengeli,
Yeah.
the people in buy the place from Pengeli, at that time they started.
Okay.
Yes. But I remember the exact time, but I did die, but I remember true. Memory not right.
Me understand.
So,
Me understand.
you know, remember the exact.
But them say every June them used to keep something over here. Every June.
Right, every June. Because I want June and buy it.
I want June them buy it too.
Yes.
Okay.
So should them buy the June now.
Yeah.
Then keep a thing every June and keep it.
Okay, me understand.
And keep up for several years. And after them buy it, them start build the wall.
Them start build a wall.
Yes, because
Okay.
the wall line the outer side.
Okay.
So them build the wall go straight down.
Yeah.
And when them build the wall now, them not try to put up some seat
Yeah.
behind the wall.
Yeah.
For people coming in.
Yeah.
But the government stop it because then say it no meet the requirement.
Oh, you know, meet the requirement.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if you put the seat on the wall and thing,
Yeah.
you can break down and kill people and so.
Oh, me understand. Oh, so them stop it through
So
that.
then stop it. So if they stop it now, then them display football in night.
Yeah.
Now they feeling up there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they want big gate up there now.
Yeah, me that try to go through the gate, but it closed, so me have to go through the hole on the wall long so.
So it closed.
It closed.
And the owner come, the owner dead,
Yeah.
and the other owner
Yeah.
and his son come and must live over there.
Okay.
And then now, them close up them place there.
Yeah.
And then close it up and then now, and so it stopped.
Yeah, my viewers and my subscriber. Bigsuper is inside the town of Port Morant. I'm in the town of Port Morant. I'm going to take a walk around to the old stadium, old Tony Barrette Stadium. You know that stadium, man? The old Tony Barrette Stadium, you know it?
Where is that?
So you live in a Port Morant, you never hear about it?
No, I live in a Port.
You don't live in a Port Morant? Okay, I thought to live here. I'm going to take a walk around the stadium, see if I find it. Never ask question on the way.
Go on that side?
Yeah. Never ask question and see if I can find it.
Yeah.
Alright, take care of yourself here. Here my viewers and sub. In at the town of Port Morant, and there is a old historical monument, Tony Barrette Stadium. I'm going to take a walk. I'm up on the road at Curtis Bottom. I'm going to take a walk up Curtis Bottom and see if I can get some direction to the stadium. So somebody there with a gentleman who will tell me, give me a look, a quick history about Tony Barrette.
Yeah, man, the first team from St. Thomas International League, Tony Barrette.
Yeah.
Tony Barrette are the real man.
Yeah.
See me? No other than they are St. Thomas.
Yeah.
The real man that. Yeah, man, that's all I have to say.
Alright, peace. Some viewers and subscribers. Me there with a young brother saying no storm. But me there in a Port Morant, same way. Me there on the road. I'm here head towards the Tony Barrette Stadium, right? That's what you mean?
Go around the corner left now.
Yeah.
And take left turn.
Me I'll go around the corner.
In front of the stadium, I drop.
And wait there, when I go around the corner, yes, sir.
When I go around the corner,
Yeah.
and lane the on your left.
Yeah.
Just go on nice.
That's what. Straight to the stadium, I go. Alright. Yeah, don't turn off.
No.
So you hear anything about that stadium? The coming to that stadium, it was one of the back in the days, that ends there was one of the biggest ends in Port Morant.
Yeah, man, yes, so was one of the best ends.
But you never get the opportunity like to go there, go.
Never get the opportunity. Well, we play ball over there still.
You play ball over there?
Yeah. But I look before turnover and pass out.
Okay. Well, maybe
it was good. They have them camping and push and, you know? Yeah. But they did one. Big pool in the back of the yard and basic.
Yeah.
Big ground, man.
Well, I'm sorry, I never get to enjoy some of them days there. Enough of the people that me here talk about it, them really and truly say, boy, Bigsuper, So you never about when I sit down there.
Yeah, so you go around the corner, you know?
Yeah.
You turn off the van.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Peace.
Man.
Yeah, my viewers and sub. I'm there. In Port Morant, I'm head to the Tony Barrette Stadium. But I pass a black factory, yeah. And my brother own a black factory, you know. You know, for all the while it's a Bigsuper. But you know put up my black factory. Well, you can say, me no put up in black factory, you know, because see all them number there. See all them number there. Yeah, man. You know, look like a black I sell over here again. A property for sale. So I know what go on. My viewers and subscribers. But me no longer see no black. Me see property. So that I go on. But what I go on. So the people them say when me reach at the left here. If you take that straight left turn here. And that straight left turn here. I go bring me to Tony Barrette Stadium. Morning. Yeah man, so Bigsuper take the left. And I go straight up there. Wow. Pause. I don't know if the eye of the life will be a part. What may I say? What may I do?
Yeah, I support the thing where I did, you know.
Yeah, you want me like put you up on my camera and
No, I can't.
no problem none of that. No problem. You want to steer to the side and give me a look at history, you know, if you just show the road.
No, right now, that's what I show it.
Yeah.
I love where I did, but I go out, I'm well busy right, you know.
No.
I'll feature some goods, you know,
Yeah,
understand?
okay, me understand.
So, you couldn't pick up the time there, you know.
Yeah. I not take more than a half a minute enough for
No,
us.
yeah, you will get man up the way.
But tell me.
But I'll give you everything.
Alright. Me can't put you on it and say that? Alright, no say nothing. Alright.
Barrette's place.
Yeah.
And I know that it was a football field before where it developed and instead out part of the land and have here as a stadium.
Yeah.
And I think he was going to finish it, but politicians get involved in it where they want to do shares with him to finish it, and he did not just agree. I think that was the right thing. Was one of them who want to get involved with it.
Yeah.
And he never believed in that because
You never like the political
because
input.
he was like thinking of they
Individual,
would come and maybe after that time want to take over
okay.
his place. So he never do that.
You never do that.
The football field is still
And people still kick football over there?
no, not no, but the children them son them hear them I think about like for develop up back like
Okay. So somebody tell me back
cut over there and something.
Somebody tell me say back in the days every June.
Yes, every 1st of June we used to go. We used to have jump on the road, go right up at the big farm.
Yeah.
Where we use lemonade. You remember Melanie? We use China, you never know this, isn't it? We use lemonade and wash all our face.
Yeah.
When 1st of June, first time Melanie, all 6 D&G trucker come up there.
Yeah, some people tell me.
10 cow,
Yeah.
goat, hog.
Yeah.
Me remember when they used to put all shoot the stick through the hog them after the season and have them over the fire, spin them so.
Wow.
And what do you, that time for me, father-in-law used to go kill to when them done we have meat till we can't have meat.
Yeah. So tell me something, that direction take you to Lantap?
This is Lantap. That one goes straight across to get to Hill 60.
Oh, to Hill 60.
Yes, and you have a road over there. When you go to the second pipe, you can take you back to the main road.
Okay. So where you want to say now? You're good. Alright. So what you say about your house? Can tell. Life funny.
Lord Jesus Christ, me make one house.
Yeah.
And when me make part of the house and have it there for years, right? Me go done part.
Yeah.
Climb and go through over there straight.
And just as me done the next part last year November,
Yeah.
the people then start make house at the back then, so they want the front now for make house, so me have to lift up.
So you have to lift up.
I don't know where to turn, me don't know me bed from my bed foot. If me sit now, me not have the first doctor bill.
Alright, so
Me try the third house that now me make from people and I me have to left because me not have no land for myself.
life funny.
And my people then never have it for have land for we.
Alright, life funny. You want you do? Want you leave a phone number?
My number 327-3866.
So,
So I me really that
anybody
need
see this
help.
young lady and want help her from Bigsuper, call her at that number. What's your name again?
I and our Barrette Morgan, our Rulo.
Alright, and you're the upper land top.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to take my time and I'm going to walk and I'm going to take a look
Yeah, man.
upon the place and see what I go on. Alright?
Yes.
Peace.
Yeah, man.
So my viewers and subscribers, by the stadium, a big door, a whole heap of wall that, you know. My God, that's so a big man. And them say, the main gate this. Yeah. Yeah. So, wow. I wish by your walk going there. Wait, that one here? Okay. So my viewers and subscribers, but they are the main gate. Bush. A whole heap of bush grow over it. Yeah. You know, them say they don't know if it lock. Oh God. You know me can pull this gate here. It look like it lock. But me will take a look. You know, my viewers and subscribers can see. But me will take a look through the mesh over upon the Tony Barrette Stadium. I will left of it. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Pure water there in front of the gate here, so and thing, but stick and stay and follow me. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So I step on the road and I not tell no lie. I will me got the national stadium, I say in Kingston. But this one I look like it's about 2-3 times the size of the national stadium. Yeah, but it's a pity that place I did have to shut down. But me I take a walk, my viewers and sub. And one bridge tell me say I have a hole somewhere in the wall. I don't know if big fat me can squeeze it through it, but I'm going to try. See if I can get some history on the stadium. Yeah, my viewers and sub. See one hole in the wall. All of me can fit through the hole, my viewers and sub. You feel Bigsuper can fit through this? Alright, I'm going to lock out my camera and go back through. Well, my viewers and sub. I have to come across a crocodile lake in a wall just to come over the Tony Barrette Stadium. My viewers and sub, Bigsuper, see the grounds, you see the football field. Me hail the legendary Tony Barrette. In your grave, me hail you. You're one of the greatest architect St. Thomas. As a man tell me further out earlier on, him say you are the only dads where St. Thomas really and truly have ever seen. Bigsuper is inside the building. And my viewers and sub, me there on the grounds at Tony Barrette Stadium. The wall there, the 2 goal posts there, but that's basically about it. My viewers and sub, I mean I walk, go towards one of the goal posts them, because the place won't chop out, but it look like it chop out regular still, because the grass them not really, them they are my knee, and if this place never chop out regular, you couldn't see the football post them. So my viewers and sub, I'm glad to make the walk come on the Tony Barrette Stadium. All of you guys all over the world who used to play football, who know Mr. Barrette and stuff, when you can fill up the comment section and let me know what you think about this walk when I make my viewers and sub. I put my hand on the goal post and see the next one over there. So, hey, it's a pleasure making all of them walk here, you know. God know, in a St. Thomas. St. Thomas is a virgin parish, you know. You can imagine if this stadium did get the opportunity if it becomes a national stadium in a St. Thomas. Just look on the grounds. Look on the grounds. I don't think the stadium where they are Kingston have the amount of land where this stadium have. Hello, Mr. Tony Barrette. Bigsuper family. Go and end the blog. But me just want to say thank you for starting this stadium in St. Thomas. And I hope some young people come on and take it over. Peace out.